Looking up best pasta maker machines feels like stepping into a pasta-themed mirror maze. Same shiny steel, same 9 settings, same promises of restaurant-quality noodles. But here's the thing, most look identical, yet some barely cut dough and others feel like they'll last generations. The real difference? It's buried in the details no one talks about. Product number 2, Salnovo 180 Roller Pasta Maker. Now, if the Nuvente's 7 settings felt limiting, this Salnovo model steps it up with 9 adjustable thickness levels and a wider 180mm roller, all for $64.23. If you want more control over texture and the ability to make wider sheets for lasagna or dumplings, this one's a serious upgrade. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That extra width means fewer seams in your lasagna and smoother, more even dough sheets. The 9 settings go from 0.5 to 3, giving you finer control, crucial if you're making delicate wonton wrappers or thick pappardelle. It also includes a cleaning brush, which sounds small but is actually huge because dried dough gums up cutters fast. Made with food-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it resists rust and feels solid in use. With 3,000 plus sold, it's clearly resonating with home cooks who want precision. Now, some buyers mention the blade shouldn't go in water. You've got to clean it with a brush or toothpick. Here's the thing though, that's standard for sharp cutting edges. It's not a flaw, it's physics. Just don't toss it in the sink and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you make a variety of noodles and want that extra roller width and setting range. Skip this one if you're only making spaghetti once in a while. It's overkill for casual use. Worth the extra $17 over the Nuvente if you're serious about homemade pasta. Product number 3, Marcato Atlas 150 Classic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for lifelong pasta lovers, the Marcato Atlas 150 Classic. At $192.65, it's a jump in price, but this Italian-made machine is built like a tank. If you want heirloom-quality craftsmanship that your grandkids might inherit, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Marcato's been making these since 1938, and the chrome-plated steel body with alloy steel rollers means this thing won't bend, warp, or corrode. It's designed for decades of use. The hand crank is smooth, the clamp holds firm, and the cutters are precision-engineered, no wobble, no tearing. It makes fettuccine, tagliolini, and lasagna with professional consistency. This isn't just a kitchen tool, it's an investment. Now some people complain about the price, and honestly, it's steep. Here's the thing though, if you're making pasta weekly, that cost per use drops fast. Plus, cheaper machines often bend or lose alignment over time. This one won't. This is perfect for you if you're serious about cooking and want something that lasts a lifetime. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only cook pasta occasionally. But if you can swing it, this is the gold standard. Product number 4, ISILER Compact Pasta Maker. Now, if the Marcato's price made you wince, let's swing back to budget-friendly, the ISILER Pasta Maker at just $38.53. Don't let the price fool you. This little machine packs 9 thickness settings and a sturdy stainless steel build. If you want maximum value without sacrificing core functionality, this is a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It goes from 0.3 to 2.6 thinner than most competitors at the low end, which means delicate dumpling skins or angel hair pasta are actually possible. The cutter offers 2 and 6.6 widths, covering spaghetti and fettuccine, and the table clamp is surprisingly strong for the price. At under 4.5 pounds, it's lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy. Now some users note the aluminum cutter can't go in water, same as the Salnovo. Here's the thing though, it's easy to wipe clean with a dry brush. Not a deal breaker, just a habit to learn. This is perfect for you if you're new to pasta making or on a budget but still want quality. Skip this one if you need ultra-wide rollers or plan to make large batches. For under $40, it's one of the best value machines out there. Product number 5, Salnovo Red Pasta Maker. Finally, we've got the Salnovo Red, essentially the same as the silver model, but with a bolder look and the same $64.23 price. If you like the first Sail Novo but want a pop of color or already have a red-themed kitchen, this is the one. The red powder coating is just aesthetic, but it does make the machine easier to spot in a crowded drawer. It also includes a desk clip for stability, which is great if your counter space is tight. Same 24-hour customer support promise too. Now some might say it's the same as the silver one, and they're right. Here's the thing though, sometimes you just want the color that fits your vibe. No shame in that. This is perfect for you if you want the performance of the silver Sail Novo but prefer a bold design. Skip this one if you're color neutral or already own the silver version. Otherwise, it's the same great machine with a fresh coat of paint. So which one should you buy? The ISILER if you're on a budget but still want quality. The Noodle T for durable stainless steel under $50. The Sail Novo models if you want more settings and width. And the Marcato, if you're serious about pasta and want something that lasts decades, it's worth the splurge. No matter your need, there's a machine here that fits, just don't fall for the shiny ads. Pick the one that matches your cooking style, not just the price tag.